Hello friends, today I would like to share with you a new motif, and I designed this with Christmas in mind. So I'm using a red yarn or red thread, but on my other video I mentioned something about I think it's the star flower motif video. I mentioned something about a crochet along, but I thought that instead of doing over what I already have a video tutorial completed, I will do a different one, and so I chose to share with you all this pattern. And if you all will join me, I will be doing this and hoping that I can do it before December 24. So those of you who are interested in doing this tablecloth with me, I will be delighted to have some company on making another tablecloth. So please watch the following video that I will be doing, showing how to do this pattern. I'm calling this Poinsettia and berries. So there's the Christmas berries and the Poinsettia flower. So I will be using this Valley Yarns cotton thread, and it's a size 3. It says 100% mercerized pearl cotton, and it's 1260 yards. So I got 2 of this. I'll be using 2 cones of this, and I'm using a 3.25 millimeter crochet hook. It's a metal crochet hook, or a steel crochet hook rather. So let us begin. Round 1. So make a slip knot, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and slip stitch on the 6th chain from hook. Then chain 4 to count as 1 triple crochet, and 2 triple crochet over ring, then note that 1 set of 3 triple crochet is made. We are going to make a total of 6 sets of this 3 triple crochet around the ring. So chain 1, then 3 triple crochet over ring. So this is 1, 2, 3. So chain 1 again. We will repeat doing 3 triple crochet over ring. So that's 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and repeat, and compress the stitches around the ring so that all 6 set of triple crochets will fit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We lack 2 more sets of triple crochets. That was chain 1 again and 3 triple crochets over ring. That's 1, 2, 3, then chain 1 again and 3 triple crochets over ring. That's 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochet, and 3 triple crochet. So let's count to make sure that we have 6 set of triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have. So chain 1 and slip stitch on the 3rd chain of the beginning, chain 4. So 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So round 1 is done. Then round 2, chain 4, and triple crochet on the same stitch. Then 2 triple crochet on the next stitch. Twice. So we made the first one, then this is the second, so note that we made a total of 6 triple crochets on this set. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat 2 triple crochet on the next stitch, which is a triple crochet. And doing it 3 times. So this is the third, the second triple crochet stitch. So this is the second triple crochet stitch on the next stitch, and then on the last stitch make 2 more triple crochets. So we have a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, counting by 2, so that's 6. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and repeat 2 triple crochet on the next triple crochet stitch. That's 1. 2, and repeating the same process 3 times. So we repeat one already, 1. So this is the second repeat. 2 triple crochet on the next stitch. So we made another set of 6 triple crochets. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 triple crochet on each remaining triple crochets of the next set. So again, there are 6 total triple crochets. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 triple crochet on each of next 3 triple crochets. So I think I omitted one there on the middle triple crochet, so let me go back and redo that. That is why it is a good idea to always count the stitches. So there are a total of 6, so that is good. So chain 3, and since this is the last chain 3 of the round, then slip stitch on the 3rd chain of the beginning chain for 1, 2, 3. And that's the end of round 2. And this is all for now, and my next video will be about making round 3. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you keep up with me and make this tablecloth for Christmas. You all have a blessed day. Thank you very much.